So it's 8 December 2023. They've been fucking around, mainly the military. So there's no lights coming on, which is good so far. But if anything happens to me, we know it's sabotage to the vehicle. So it rained, which is good in some ways, because it leaves behind dark dirt, but it also leaves behind what they do. So from here, you see the hole in the ground to here. I don't know if you can get both of them. And then what you see is underneath, in the front area, all these punctures in the ground. That's right below the vehicle. Okay? That lifted the vehicle up off the ground. So that's what's good when it rains, kind of, because you can see the evidence of them tampering with your vehicle. Or stealing a part and replacing it. So from here, that hole, all the way to the vehicle tire, right here. So whatever the device was that lifted, underneath. So if anything happens to me in my vehicle, we know it's murder.